Everybody fucking jump!
Alright, shoe believers, welcome back to the Ozone. Let's get this one going. Get you a little bit of box action. This shoe reads the Air Jordan Retro 6 Grade School, Magnet College, and Navy, aka the Jordan 6 Georgetown. I have these and I have the adult pair. I want to do a review of both of them. This one's a little bit different. In my opinion, the materials are a little bit better. On the adult pair, you get a higher quality suede, but they're both good shoes. Sold out all of these. I'm waiting for somebody to come get this pair. Pardon me, but I said, well, I got them. I might as well review both pairs, like I said, because they're a little bit different. That's the suede. Front of the jump, man. Not a bad shoe, in my opinion. Like I said, I'm happy to be able to have them in my size as well. It was a requested Jordan. I don't know how they're selling online, but like I said, I managed to sell out. Let me get some more in. So let me give you guys a close-up on the suede. So when I do the close-up on the suede of the adult version, there might be a little bit color difference too. We'll see in the video, and you guys let me know what you think. Pretty much a good shoe. See, all monotone suede, so it's all basically one color. Okay, get down to the outsole, or midsoles. Change this a little bit. Let me show you guys what the shoe is going to look like when it's on your foot. No extra laces, anything like that. It just comes like this. You know what you guys think about this shoe? Did you cop a pair? Are you going to cop a pair? Let me know what shoes you are buying. Let me know what shoes you want to see on the channel next. Everybody stay safe and have a nice day.
Everybody fucking jump!